Hello everybody, it's Harry here from West South Africa, and today we're going to take a look at the A4 stainless steel host lamps. Now this host lamp is ideal for the food and beverage industries because everything is made of stainless steel. The band, the clamp as well as the set screw is made of A4 stainless. As you can see, you can either use a flat screwdriver or a 7mm drive to tighten it or undo it. Now, as you can see here, the sides is bent up, so it will not cut into your pipe, so no injury will happen to the pipe because of the smooth edges on the side. On the set side, this section here, that's been embossed, so your pipe will not be able to, with expansion and contraction, to go through those little cutout sections. Also, it's an asymmetrical clamp, so what that means is you get clamping from all around your pipe. So the maximum torque on these clamps is a 5 Newton meters, because this is a 12mm band. We also do it in a 9mm band, and please consult the website to get the exact torque for the specific host lamp size that you use. Thank you.